in the car again, and that's because I am going to Pattaya. So I'm going to show you around. I'm going to show you Pattaya during pandemic COVID-19, and because I got a really good deal off the hotel, so yes, of course I'm going to show you around what we do. And yes, I know that I talk too much. Let's jump right to the video. And rent some electric car, and then I'm going to show you around. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time around. I'm going where you go if you let me. I'll promise you better days, only better days. Making up for lost time, gonna make it right by you. They said it would be easy, guess I never thought it through. My head's been in the wrong place, when it should have been with you. All this time, it was never enough, so please slow down. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time. So after lunch we are going to have dessert. So we come in here, which is Mahan Coffee. Everybody suggests me about this place, so I will show you around.
Turn around, I'm going where you go. If you let me, I promise you better days, only better days. Only better days. Better days. Only better days.
This is our room. It's like connecting room. It has two different bedrooms. Ta-da! Like that. And they have a balcony there. My brother will be there. It's so nice. Looking at the bathroom. It's pretty good too, and really beautiful.
goodbye trip with my parents. Now I am back home. To be honest, I don't even have a chance to go to the beach because the beach is a bit far from the hotel, and I think that it's a downside of this hotel. But the other thing, I mean, the service, the staff there, the pools and everything is so lovely and so good, so beautiful, and the plan that I make, it's so good as well. So if you're making this far, thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye!